Hello my dear students. In this video we will compare between the law of dominance and the law of incomplete dominance. Among both these terms, law of dominance was given by Mendel, but in opposition to it, against it, incomplete dominance was given. We will see how genotypic and phenotypic ratios they vary in both. So first we are taking the case of law of dominance. So we will be taking parents and the parental genotype will be homozygous dominant versus this was the red parent, this was the parent with the white flowers. Gametes will form capital R hair, small r hair, and after that F1 generation will be seen as capital R, small r genotype. Here the expression was red, means all the offsprings or 100% offsprings they were red in color. Now if you will do the selfing here, means if you will cross capital R with small r, and this you are doing because you want to have F2 generation. So again gametes will be formed and you will get two types of gametes, capital R, small r, here also capital R, small r. Remember, whenever gamete formation has to happen, which law will be applied? Law of segregation. We will make the Punnett square here, capital R, small r here as the male gametes, and capital R, small r here for the female gametes. We will mention also male and female, and these will be the genotypes of all the offsprings that we will attain in the F2 generation. Here the expression will be red because the expression of only dominant allele will come. Here also the expression will be red because one dominant allele is there. Here also one dominant allele is there. But here the expression is going to be white. So this is going to be white. If you can see it, I have colored it with white. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the recent updates. That means we have got 3 individuals as red and 1 individual as white. That means our phenotypic ratio, what is it now? Yes, our phenotypic ratio is 3:1. And if we will see the genotypic ratio, we have capital R, capital R, capital R, small r, small r, small r. So we have one such individual, we have two such individual, and we have just one here. So our genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. So this is our genotypic ratio and that was our phenotypic ratio. So phenotypic ratio is 3:1 and genotypic ratio is 1:2. Now we will see how it varies in the incomplete dominance. We have taken parents here and of course we will be starting with the same genotype as we have started in the law of dominance. So homozygous dominant as to be the male, homozygous recessive as to be the female. These are our gametes which are resultant of the law of segregation. Then we will get F1 generation and this is capital R, small r. Now see, here all the individuals were 100% and here all the 100% individuals, they will be pink in color, right? So see here how the difference is varying. there the expression of only dominant allele was there. The expression of capital R came. Here neither the expression of this is coming nor the expression of recessive allele is coming. Rather a mixed expression is coming, because when red will get mixed with white, pink color will be seen. Now if we will do the selfing of the F1, we will get F2. So I am doing it straightforward because you already know the rules till now. These are going to be our gametes, and these are the genotypes of all the offsprings that we will attain in the F2 generation. Now see here, there are two dominant alleles, so expression here would be red. In the case of heterozygous, because recessive and dominant, they are present together, thus in the case of incomplete dominance, the expression will be pink. Here also same concept will be applied, pink, and here it would be white because it is homozygous recessive. So if you calculate the phenotypic ratio of incomplete dominance, it will be red how many? 1, pink how many? 2, white how many in number? 1. So phenotypic ratio has came out to be 1:2:1. And genotypic ratio will be same as that we have calculated here. That means if you compare law of dominance with incomplete dominance, phenotypic ratios are varying. In the case of law of dominance, it was 3:1. But in the case of incomplete dominance, it is 1:2:1. However, there is no dissimilarity between the genotypic ratio of the law of dominance and incomplete dominance, right? So this is important. Another thing, if you will notice, in incomplete dominance, the phenotypic ratio, this one, 1:2:1, and the genotypic ratio, this one, is same, right? So this is important. This question may come for a 3-marker question or for a 2-marker question. So this way you need to show the cross. Now students, I hope you have understood all the concepts taught till now. I have a question for you. My question is, incomplete dominance occurs in which 2 plants? You have to write the names in the comment section of this video. If your answer is going to be right, then I will take your name and I will solve any 2 problems of yours. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you very much.